All right, so we got our trusted little pal, Brady O'Brien. He's going to help us with our sock toss challenge. So the first thing that you got to do is you got to get a couple pairs of socks. If you have 10 pairs of socks in your house, it sets up perfect. So what you have to do with your socks then is if you have to roll them into balls. So Brady will show us how to roll them in a sock ball. Now your socks can be different sizes. If they're bigger, it's going to make a bigger ball. If your socks are smaller, it'll make it into a smaller ball. So Brady can hurry up. There's ball number one. And as you can see, we did a couple ahead of time. So this is what the orange one is, what the bigger balls, the bigger socks look like. And then your white ones and the black pair there are the ones that look smaller. So we got 6. And it's okay if you only have a couple pairs. If you have 10, it's perfect because then you only have to make 10 throws. Now, if you have 5 socks, you would take 5 attempts at the basket, and then you would just pick the 5 up and go back to your spot and throw 5 more. So that makes 2, 4, 6, 7. And if your socks doesn't match, it's okay. Brady's putting together a Maryland sock with a Tuscarora football sock. There's number 8. There's number 9. And there is number 10. And at the same time you're doing this activity, you're helping your parents get the laundry together. All right, so once Brady has his socks together, he's going to go to his basket and he's going to walk 8 steps forward. So go ahead. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then he's going to turn on, face his basket, and he's going to put his socks right in front of his line where he wants to throw the socks to the basket. So let me come over this way so you can see a little bit better. And then you're going to try different ways of throwing your sock into the basket. So we can throw it underhand. Then we can throw it overhand. And that was more like a basketball jump shot, but we want to throw it like we throw a ball. All right, so he's 1 for 3. Go back to underhand. There's another in the basket, so 2 for 4, overhand. Our basketball jump shot. Our underhand toss. Our next one, your choice. Oh, behind the legs, overhand, and his last one. So as you can see, if we go over to our basket, Brady would have made 3 out of 10 shots into the basket. So now what you would do is he would go back, go for his second attempt, and then he would do his 10 throws again. Then he would do a third attempt, and then you would go to the Google form and write how many that you made into the basket. So until next time, Brady, say goodbye to everybody.
See ya.